So this is the results from planting the leaves. So this is the new offshoots, as you guys can see. This is I planted it about 2 weeks ago. Now have new shoots, yes, and another one. Now this plant about 1 month. As you guys can see, this is the new shoots, quite long, about my hand, sir. So I think that's all for this time video. Thank you so much for watching, and please like this video because it's useful, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.